Alright, so yesterday I got my package. This is the Stirling engine I ordered, and I paid a little more than I should have because it was in California and I didn't want to have it shipped from China. So let's see what we got. Alright, I understand there's something in here I should be opening up, so let's figure out what this is. Whatever it is, we don't want to do. Oh, it's another. Apparently, they send you an extra cup. We don't want to break that, okay? For sure. All right, so here's the other cup. All right, that's one down. What do we got here? Okay, what we got here? These are probably the instructions, which it is, user manual. Here we go. Tells you all about the invention in by London passenger Robert Stirling in 1816. All right, so here we go. Another little package I need to open up, I guess, without cutting my fingers off. Okay, looks like a little belt and the wick and oh, okay. Well, I guess this is all of it. The wick, the little container for the alcohol, and looks like inside is the little light that goes with this. Of course, I heard it's hard to get that sucker out of there. I wonder how they got it in there to begin with, huh? Well, I'll worry about that later, but there's a, oh, if you can't see it, there's a little light in there. All right, we'll take that out in a minute. And then, oh, we got the top. You see that? I'll put it in here. Here you go. And then we got the wick. Oops. And I suppose this is like a belt and the wick. All right. Coming right along here. All right. And there it is. Oh, cute. Well, that's nice. Oh, there's something else in here. Look at now. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to take it up there, show it to you real quick. Pretty nice. It's built pretty nice, actually. So let me put it together, and then I'll change the angle of the camera, and we'll make that puppy work. Okay? It's pretty nice. Nicely done. I'm impressed. All right. All right, so here's my final video. And I made a mistake of using 50% alcohol, and the flame would go right out. So I had to go out and buy 91% alcohol. And the sucker just runs good now. Okay, it's almost there. There we go. I think I need to put some oil on that puppy. That's what I gotta do next. Put a little oil on there. Here's my light. Hard to do with one hand here. Nope. There we go. All right, well, that's it. I'm not going to run it too long because I do want to oil it. Let it slow down. Please subscribe and hit that bell for any new projects. And any comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. Do I recommend this thing? Oh yeah. Just make sure you get the right alcohol. Yeah, a little oil won't hurt this puppy. All right, thanks.